Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. OpenAI O3 Mini top use cases. Let's dive into OpenAI's latest release, the O3 Mini, a beast of a model that even free users can access. I took some time to test it thoroughly. In today's video, we'll explore why this model is a game changer, and we'll be looking at O3 Mini's amazing use cases. Let's get started. So if you don't have a paid account, what you'll see is that there's a reason button here that you can select to try the O3 Mini. So you can either use the O3 Mini for fast and advanced reasoning or the O3 Mini High, which is great at coding and logic. What they've also done is that they've tripled the daily message limits. So now we have 150 messages per day, which is up from 50 with the O1 Mini. So in order for us to get started, click on the reasoning feature. And for my first use case, I've found it really useful in building any kind of personalized HTML landing pages and dashboards and really using it to personalize that output for you. So I'm going to add a prompt here that says, generate a modern visually stunning HTML and CSS landing page for showcasing a research paper. Follow these detailed design and functionality requirements, overall design and layout, colors and theme. I've specified a color, animations, and effects. Use faded animations, and so on, and then copy the research paper. And let's run it. Here you can see the model is now thinking. So it's just thinking and you're finding the different output, and you can see this was really quick in terms of producing the code. Now I'm going to open my HTML landing page, and what you'll see is that it's now given me a really nice looking landing page for my research paper, for example, and I've got here the name of the paper. I've got the authors, and I've got a bar here at the side that's got different sections. I've got the abstract. I have here the key findings. It's even made a little bit interactive with the boxes. We have the citations here, and if I even click on the side panel, you can go to it, and this is the result of the first prompt. Now, if I wanted to change this around, I want to change the color, I wanted to change the way that it was tiled, I could also do that. But to get that from the first output with O3 Mini, I'm not even using the O3 Mini High, I'm just using the regular O3 Mini. But the speed and the accuracy that we're now getting with this reasoning model is unbelievable. And for this use case, I just want to show you another example just to highlight the extent of the accuracy and the interactivity that you can get with building these specialized tools. So I'm just going to add here a prompt that says, write an HTML, CSS, JavaScript tool that allows researchers to create a visual research timeline for tracking key milestones in the research projects. Then again, I just got ChatGPT to write me this prompt. Just allow the user to input key research milestones, let users specify start and end dates, spare timeline visualization, and so on. So I'm going to enter that. And again, as you can see, it was really quick and give me the code. So I'm just going to take the code and I'm going to open my HTML timeline. See, this is the way the timeline looks like. So I can just add my steps. I'm going to add here research plan, and I'm going to add a date here. And let's say I'm going to finish this. And I'm going to add this as a milestone. And now it's already started to track the progress. I've got the milestone here at the bottom, so I can edit it if I wanted to. So a really nice tool again from the first prompt, and it's a fully functional tool that I can use. Let me show you something else that I've created, which was a research paper keyword extractor. And this is a really simple tool where you can add the contents of your research paper and then use it to find keywords. And you can use it, just gone through the text that I've inputted, and it's counted the top keywords that were in that text. So really interesting specialized tools that you can build. So amazing functionality to have with O3 Mini. Now for our next use case, we're going to be using it to conduct some market analysis, and based on that, use its reasoning capabilities to come up with a strategy for us. So my next prompt here focuses on conducting a comprehensive analysis of the latest trends in AI-driven automation for business growth using data from industry reports, competitive strategies, emerging technologies, and experts' forecasts to identify these key opportunities over the next 12 months. Then you can see I've asked ChatGPT to give me a full detailed prompt, what it can do, and the final deliverable here is a detailed AI-driven business strategy that, based on the research findings, develops a full strategic roadmap, and it outlines the different areas that I wanted to focus on. And what you'll notice, because O3 Mini has the ability to search the web. I'm going to activate that so that it can then extract the latest information from the different sources as well. So it's now come back with the output. It's come back with the AI-powered automation tools and their key platforms and the roles. And it's also given me the sources from where it's extracted the information from. It talks about the scaling strategies and the operational efficiencies that I can use, some emerging trends, and then it goes on to deliver the actual task, which is the strategic roadmap that I asked it to do and the steps that are involved. So again, another very good job from just the initial prompt, where it's had to do multiple elements here. It's had to extract the latest sources through its search capability. It's had to put everything together, and this definitely can be enhanced. So I'm not going to say that the output is really precise and detailed, but I can definitely see with more prompting, this would be a really good way to put together all these different capabilities of the model. So for our third use case, we're going to be using it to help us solve through problems and come up with practical solutions. I'm going to disable the search function because I don't need it for this prompt. A busy primary care clinic averages 45 minutes patient wait time, leading to frustration, appointment cancellations. The clinic has 4 doctors and 6 support staff. Design a practical solution that reduces wait time to under 20 minutes without hiring additional staff or compromising care quality. Let's run it. You can see now it's thinking through the response. Now we have here the result. Structured workflow, improvements. Then it gives me a table with the before and after comparison with the different processes. So before, this is how long it was taken, after how it's managed to streamline that. And it's come back with waiting time that is less than 20 minutes. And then an explanation of how the solution works, the different roles and responsibilities of the staff, and how it comes all together. So it's really useful model if you're looking to use its reasoning ability to come up with solutions to problems, to have a think through a problem for you, and all these examples I've been showing you using the O3 Mini. With the O3 Mini High, you can use it to tackle even more complex issues and design better solutions. That's a wrap on OpenAI's O3 Mini. I hope this gives you a good sense of its potential and what you can achieve with it. Let me know in the comments which demo impressed you the most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Introducing Livecaster 24/7, the ultimate video traffic boost. Multiply your organic reach and audience with live, dynamic video programming. Live stream from most any social media platform and multiple your reach up to 10 times with Livecaster 24/7. Supercharge your marketing reach with Livecaster 24/7's powerful features. We get a 3 times boost in reach from live streaming. Social Baker reports 92% extra reach for live videos, and reach tests just 48 hours after publishing. Live videos have the most reach among all the video formats on social. Live stream pre-recorded videos and show your best content to the world. Go live on any platform, Livecaster 24/7 makes it easy. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, Amazon, LinkedIn, Kick, Twitch, Stream, Rumble, and the rest of them. Content creators get a reach boost and get more viewers for your existing content. E-commerce marketers sell anything better with live videos. Grab the top spots on news feeds and search results effortlessly. Leave your competition in the dust with a live streaming reach boost. Livecast multiple videos simultaneously on multiple platforms. Schedule your livecasts. Go live even when you're sleeping. Create live stream channels. Live stream long videos without limitations. Live stream multiple videos in a queue using our streams feature. Live loop technology loops your livecast for an unending live stream. Supports HT and high quality livecasts. Supports all popular video formats. Download YouTube videos for streaming. Detailed reporting and fail-safe mechanisms. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Livecaster 24/7 now. Just go to livecaster.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.